Good morning, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do something a little different again. Seems like that's all I do, but I have had stuff just accumulating so that to the point where I don't know where anything is. So I'm going to set up a table right down here, 4x8 sheet of plywood, and I'm going to just dump everything on there, and it's going to be like a lost and found kind of thing. So let's grab this. So how you doing today? Good. I have some company coming in today. I'm going to be doing a small carpentry project for him, or with him. Good friend of mine. So we'll be doing that. Come on. I cleared up a whole bunch of space. Because he's going to be staining, where'd you go? Because he's going to be staining some boards for a small project. Okay, I got it over here. Let's see what we've got. Okay, my actual goal is to find, oh, there's a car. Is that it? No, bummer. There's 10 or 12 cars that have wires so that the lights would come on, and I'm going to find it. So I'm just dumping everything, and some stuff is going to be dumped to the dump. I could go through one box at a time, but where's the fun in that? I know what this is. This is a train. I'm not going to dump this because this is a set. And I'll reunite all the train and rolling stock with that. Nothing there. Developing some empty boxes, that's a good thing. One thing I wanted to do is get a lot of the track, get it all in the same box. Right now it's in like 2 or 3 different boxes. I really want to get this organized. I'm printing out some more shelving for small items. Oh, I found a rolling stock to that little train set. Empty boxes, you know, why keep them? This is something I wanted to put together because we need it. The small substation. You can just set that right there where I won't lose it. This is going to really be helpful. I don't feel like I've come across, oh, there's more over here. Some building kits that have never been put together. Let's put these all in one spot. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Hopefully none falls on the floor, because Kaya will want that. So I had the brilliant idea that I would use cans to make something. It never happened. I think those are going to be dumped. It was a good idea. My heart was in the right place, you know what I'm saying? Eh? Something rattling around in there. What is that stuff? There are some items in there. I don't know what they are. I'm not going to dump them yet. How we looking? Okay. There, I've made a mess. Now let's make it sorted so it makes sense. Well, I certainly do have a mess now. Electric trains, okay. I am finally just throwing out stuff that was taking up space in the boxes. Like, why do I need an atlas? I know why I had it, because I wanted to remember which one this was, but I have so many now and I don't need them. And this was a girder for the arch bridge. Done with it. The popsicle sticks I want to save. So now it comes. The thing is, I don't want to just start throwing them in boxes. I want to make sure I get the right stuff in the right box. And you know what? I still haven't found the cars that I want. They may be down in here. Some lamp posts that one of you folks sent me. So what if we do a box of electronic type stuff like this? I'll get a box for that. Or how about a holding tray? Because I don't know how much of that there will be. I want the right size box. And I'm printing out more shelving and storage trays so that I can keep. I want to be able to see easily what I am wanting. You just want to tip that way, don't you? Okay, there you go. Fencing, I'll probably hang on to that. So no offense, but I need a fencing box. I'll just put it over there. Got multiple sizes of fence. Okay, that was fun when I had the amusement park. I don't expect to do that part. Oh. I was looking for this. Valuable. I have 3 of these. I only have 2 on. I have 3 different trains, and I only have 2 on 2 trains. So this will allow me to do the 3rd one. Then I started painting humans in small form. Come over there. Okay, well, I found some treasures in here. I did not find the cars that I was looking for. I'm going to sort through this for sure because it's been helpful finding stuff so that I can easily add it on to the layout. And so let's take this down. I think, there's something solid in there. I don't know what it is. I have my work cut out for me. Oh, another building. I found a bunch more outhouses and little pallets of wood. Pretty slick. Okay, I think we'll run trains around just for a minute, and we're going to call this a video. I hope it's kind of different. Sorry I didn't really build much. Other than work on the pond. That is just going to be several layers over time. This will be multiple pours, so just doing another pour right now. We'll let it set up. I want to go up into here where there'll be the effect of a waterfall. I put about the same amount of green into this one. This is self-leveling, so it should be, I have quite a bit over here. I think it will work its way over under the track and come down this way. All right, we'll let that cure. That's where we're at. We'll run some trains around. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, hit the like button, share, and if you're not a subscriber, I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Okay, have a great day.